Welcome to the instruction video for Romex Rompox D2000 pavement jointing mortar. Below we show you step by step how to apply the product professionally and achieve optimum results. Rompox D2000 is a pavement jointing mortar for jointing heavily used surfaces in public areas. It is suitable for the new jointing of squares, roads and paths, as well as for the renovation of existing paved surfaces, and as a gutter mortar in accordance with ATV DIN 18318/2019, from a joint width of 0.2 inches. Particularly noteworthy is the rapid opening to traffic after installation. Rompox D2000 has very good processing properties and meets all requirements for use on high traffic areas with heavy vehicle loads. Rompox D2000 is water permeable and permanently prevents weed growth. The joint is available in various colors. You will need a water hose with a shower or sprayer, a rubber squeegee, a coarse street broom and a fine coconut broom. We recommend the use of impermeable and resistant protective gloves during application. To prepare, you should first mask off adjacent surfaces with adhesive tape. The surface to be treated must then be pre-wetted intensively. Higher substrate temperatures require more intensive pre-wetting. Mix the pavement jointing mortar in a rotary or concrete mixer or with a professional mixing drill paddle in a clean mixing vessel. Pour the filler component completely into the mixer or mixing vessel and start the mixing process. During the mixing process, add the corresponding, separately supplied resin hardener component in full. To make full use of the bottle contents, fill both bottles with 17.5 fluid ounces of water each, close and shake vigorously. Then add the water to the mixture. After 3 minutes mixing time, add another 4.2 pints of water and mix again for at least 3 minutes. In order to make optimum use of the high flowability of the ready mixed pavement jointing mortar, Rompox D2000 is poured onto the pre-wetted surface in 3 to 4 places. Then carefully work the pavement jointing mortar into the joints using a rubber squeegee. If you do not apply Rompox D2000 completely immediately, the remaining quantity should be mixed again briefly before continuing to work so that optimum flowability is achieved again. Approximately 10 minutes after working in, the stone surface is first carefully swept with a coarse street broom. The correct sweeping time is reached when no more white streaks form on the stone surface during sweeping. Then carefully sweep the stone surface again with a fine coconut broom until all mortar residue has been removed. Sweep diagonally to the joint. Chamfers on slab and clinker coverings must be exposed. No rain protection is necessary in drizzle. The freshly jointed surface only needs to be protected from continuous or heavy rain for 12 to 24 hours. Construction foil or tarpaulins used for this purpose must not be laid directly on the surface so that air can circulate. During the initial period, a wafer-thin synthetic resin film remains on the surface, which intensifies the color of the stone and protects it from soiling. However, this film disappears over time. The greatest strength of Rompox D2000 is its fast traffic release. Jointed surfaces can be walked on safely after just 6 hours and are fully loadable after 24 hours, even with heavy traffic of up to 24.6 long tons. Rompox D2000 is a real heavyweight among the Romex pavement jointing mortars. Universal, professional and reliable.